everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this plaid mistletoe nail. So all the things you need are going to be listed on the left side. Right now I'm just painting a nude layer on the nail. I'm curing it and then I'm going in with this really nice Christmas red gel polish and I'm just doing a double French. So I mapped out the sides and then I mapped out my regular French and then I'm just mirroring the French on the bottom and filling in all of those negative spaces, making sure that the French lines on the top and the bottom are both super clean. When this is done, you can go ahead and cure it, and then I'm taking a black gel polish and I'm just drawing a really thick line on either side down the nail. I'm not touching the red completely on the French, and then in the middle completely I'm drawing another thick black line perpendicular to the side lines. I did it on the other side as well, and then I'm taking some white gel polish and I'm drawing it all the way down just on the side wall, the farthermost part, and then on the right side of that black line I'm going to draw a white line as well, leaving the black space in the middle. And then I'm taking some white polish and I'm drawing it exactly in the middle of the middle line in white. And then down a little bit more, I'm drawing a little white line right here. And then I'm finishing with the cure. Once that's finished, I did go in with some more black gel polish and I did draw a little line down and a little line going horizontally as well, just like this. This is how it should look on both sides. When that's finished, I'm taking a really nice glittery gold gel polish and I'm lining both of the Frenchies. When that's finished, I'm curing it and then I'm going in with a dark green polish and I'm just drawing like a wispy line with some wisps coming out of it. Going upward, it is curved slightly, and then I'm doing it on either side as well in the plaid spaces, and you can't really see it that well, so I did cure it and I did go in with a second coat of the green, cured that, then I'm finishing with a top coat, and once that's fully cured, I did take some rhinestone gel and I am placing it where I want it. I want it in between where the leaves are, and then I'm adding 3 red rhinestones in those spaces as well. Whenever that's finished, you want to spot cure everything, and then I did cure in the big lamp for 60 seconds to make sure everything is super dry, and once that's finished, boom, there you have it. You have a beautiful mistletoe plaid nail. This is such a cute nail for Christmas. I find the colors are perfect. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!